Okay? This will be our fourth example class. So, yung advice, bago ko muna basahin yung tanong, ay advice ko muna, na since video itong pinapanood nyo, pwede nyo itong i-post ng i-post, okay? So, kung may notebook kayo or may papel kayo, maaari ding mas mabuti kung i-record nyo yung bawat steps, okay? So, alam nyo naman na medyo mahirap, no? Mahirap mag-solve na binivis habang ikaw rin yung nagvi-video. So, ganit. Sariling sikap lang yung ginagawa ko. Wala akong kasama dito ngayon. So, I hope, minsan kasi nagmo-move yung kamay ko or yung holder ko, then medyo kakarag-karag, okay? Kaya minsan hindi mo mahagilap, minsan nakakadulot yan ng pagkalito. So I hope na isusulat nyo rin to sa papel o sa notes nyo nang sa ganun masundan nyo yung solution, okay? So this is 12.5. So the velocity of a particle traveling in a straight line is given by v is equal to 6t minus 3t squared meter per second, where t is in seconds. If s is equal to 0, when t is equal to 0, determine the particle's deceleration and position when t is equal to 3 seconds. And then, how far has the particle traveled during the 3-second time interval, and what's its average speed? Okay? So, let us solve this na. Okay? Lagay natin sa... Okay? So, ito yung tanong. Okay? As usual, yung paraan ko ng pag-solve, okay? Kung ako lang yung tatanungin nyo, is i-record ko muna ano ba yung mga required natin, okay? From the question itself, okay? So, from the question itself, okay? Ang required natin is, okay, determine the particle's deceleration. So, since deceleration, lagay muna natin dito yung acceleration. Okay? So, hinahanap natin yung, okay, ano yan? Determine the particle's deceleration and position when t is equal to 3 seconds. So, A is question mark. Okay? Then, S is di natin alam. So, this is at time is equal to 3 seconds. Okay? So, baka magtanong kayo, bakit A yung ginamit ko? Deceleration to nakalagay dito. So, ano na yan? Common sense na yan. So, kapag yung acceleration mo is negative, ibig sabihin, nagde-decelerate siya. No? Deceleration is just negative acceleration. So, ang ibig sabihin, instead na bumibilis, humihina yung velocity niya kapag deceleration. Oh. And then again, yung ikalawang tinatanong is, how far has the particle traveled during the 3-second time interval? Okay? So, yung hinahanap dito is how far the particle traveled. So, para sa libro, usually nire-refer to as S, total, pero sa akin, mas mahilig ako doon sa D. Okay? D. Meaning, total distance traveled. No? Particle travel kasi. So, yung travel, meaning, yung dinaanan niya. So, meaning, it's distance. So, posible na at some point, aatras siya. Posible ring hindi. Okay? It's not necessarily equal to displacement. Okay? And then, okay, 3-second interval. So, meaning, t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 3 seconds. Kasi, 3-second interval. Ibig sabihin, mula nung nag-rest siya hanggang 3 seconds. So, ganun yung 3-second interval. Okay? And then again, ilagay natin yung mga given. Okay? Kapag marami yung given, okay. So, yung given dito is V is equal to 6t minus 3t squared. And then yung S not, S is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. Okay? Yun yung given. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Since hinahanap natin yung acceleration, at ito yung, okay, lagyan muna natin ng meter per second. Okay, ito yung function ng velocity velocity natin in terms of time. Okay, meron tayong formula as usual na di ba? V is hinahanap kasi natin yung acceleration. So ang acceleration is equal to the change of velocity over the change in time, or dv over dt. So since ito yung formula natin, so ang a is equal to d over dt times 60 minus 3t squared. Okay. So pasensya na kung medyo magalaw yung kanang kamay ko. Medyo nanginginig, hindi ako sanay So I hope habang pinapanood nyo to, isulat nyo rin sa inyong mga notebooks. Okay? I-record, isulat nyo nang sa ganun masundan nyo yung solution kasi baka mahaba to. Okay? So therefore, d over dt, okay, 60 is 6, and then bring down 2 times 3 is 6, magiging 6 minus 60, okay? Ito yung A natin, okay? So since hinahanap natin when t is equal to 3 seconds, so when t is equal to 3 seconds, i-substitute na natin kaagad. 6 minus 60 is equal to 6 minus 6 times 3 is equal to, okay, 6 minus 6 times 3 is 8, negative 12 meter per second squared. So ang answer natin is negative 12 meter per second squared. Okay? So ibig sabihin nagde-decelerate talaga siya. Okay? Nag-decelerate siya ng 12 meter per second squared. Okay? So ang susunod naman na hinahanap is S. Okay? So ito yung given natin na V. Okay? Since ito yung given, hanapan natin ng paraan para makita natin ang S, kasi hanapan nga natin ng paraan yung acceleration. Okay? So ano ba yung S in terms of V? Okay? So kung naalala nyo, V is equal to the change of position over time. So therefore, yung ds mo is equal to V dt. Okay? Tinranspose ko lang, no? And then if you integrate that one, so you have S is equal to V dt. Okay, integral. So since integral natin siya, so ito yung V natin, bisitahin natin ito yung V, saka okay, i-substitute natin tong for ito dito. Okay, so therefore yung V natin is 60 minus 3t squared. Okay? So, wala siyang limits. Ay, meron. From 3 to 0. Okay? dt. Okay? So i-review nyo na lang yung integral calculus nyo. So, actually, magre-record din ako. Pwede nyo hanapin dito sa channel ko kung paano mag-integrate, kung nakalimutan nyo mag-integrate. So by the way, pagpatuloy natin. So, okay. You integrate that one. So, 6, okay. Magiging, siya, 60 squared over 2, okay. Minus 3, dagdagan mo yung power ng 1 over 2 plus 1, okay. Okay, the limits is from 3 to 0. Okay, so we have 3t squared minus, okay, 3 yung 3 na sa ibaba, 3 yung sa ibaba, so t cube na to. Okay, 3, 0. Okay, upper limit is 3, okay, minus 3, 0 squared minus 3 cube. Okay, so therefore, compute natin, 927. So, 0 to, 0 dito. So, ibig sabihin yung S natin, yung position natin at that point is 0. Ibig sabihin, yung total displacement niya within 3 seconds is 0. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi siya gumalaw. So, possibly, somewhere down the road, umatras siya. Okay? So, tumakbo siya pasulong, and then, possibly, tumakbo siya pasulong, then umatras siya uli. Kaya, naging 0 yung displacement niya. Okay? Kasi, yung displacement class is, hindi yung katulad di distance. Yung displacement natin is yung final position mo minus initial position. Kaya, posible talagang maging 0 yung displacement. Subalit, never magiging 0 yung distance traveled. Okay? So, we will continue. Okay? So, yung ikalawang natin, okay. So, ipagpatuloy natin pero sa kabilang papel na. So, yung hinahanap natin ulit is yung D. Okay? Within, okay? According sa tanong is within 3 seconds interval. Okay? So, since within 3 second interval siya, so, lagyan natin D. Okay? Find D para hindi tayo malito. Okay, so ano yung isusolution natin? So, since alam naman natin na, okay, so paano ba ang una nating paraan? Okay, just like yung example number 3. So, we take kung saan ba nagzi-zero si velocity. Okay, okay, equate mo yan si velocity sa 0. Bakit? Ang explanation dyan is, during those times na nagsisiro si velocity, yun yung time na nagsishift siya ng direction. Ibig sabihin, at such time na tumigil siya, gumalaw, 0 yung velocity niya, posible yun yung mga, yun yung panahon, o yun yung time then na kung saan nag-change siya ng direction. So, posible, somewhere down the road is tumakbo siya at a certain distance, then inatras at starting from V is equal to 0, doon na siya nag-shift ng direction. So, we equate to 0. Okay? So, since, okay, 60 minus 3t squared, okay, naulit ko. Sorry. So, ibig sabihin 60 minus 3t squared is equal to 0. Okay? Factor out natin yung 3t. Okay? 2 minus t equals 0. So, ever since 3t is equal to 0, and then 2 minus t is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung t natin is 2 seconds, yung isa is 0 seconds. Okay? So, we take it as limits. Okay. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin susunod? Okay. So, i-take note natin kung ano yung distance travel niya at 0. Okay. So, since if S, okay, so if S equals 0 when T equals to 0. So, since given na siya, okay, that when T is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, okay. And then, when T is equal to 2 seconds, isubstitute natin. 6T minus 3T squared is equal to 6 times 2 minus 3, 2 squared, okay, 12. 4. Okay, I know. Hindi natin, okay? Si S pala natin, okay? S yung, natin hinahanap natin. So, S equals 0 when T equals 0. So, yung S natin, ano nga ba yung formula? Ito yung formula, Ito. Okay? So, okay, I know. Okay, kunin muna natin. So, balik muna tayo. Kunin muna natin yung indefinite integral niya. Okay? So, S is equal to V, integral of V dt. Then, yung V natin is 6t minus 3t squared dt. Okay? Step by step yung ginagawa natin. Class, pwede nyo namang i-shortcut. Depende yan sa inyo. Okay? S is equal to, okay, magiging 3, okay, 3t squared to minus t cubed, okay, plus SO, S sub O, okay, yan yung constant natin. So, since yung S sub O natin is 0, Okay? So, S sub O nito, ito yung constant natin. Kapag nag-integrate tayo, kung V to, VO din to. Meaning, velocity at 0. Ito, position at 0. So, since, nakalagay naman, if S is 0 when T is equal to 0. So, meaning, 0 ito. Okay? So, yung S natin is 3T squared minus T cubed. So, substitute na natin si 2. 2 squared minus 2 cubed. Ilan? 4, 12, minus 8 equals 4 meters. Okay? S is equal to 4 meters when T is equal to 2. Okay? Dito, okay, lahanin natin yan, ha? And then again, we will use when S, okay, yung huling limit natin kasi hanggang 3 seconds siya. So, isulat natin si 3 seconds. So, when T is equal to 3 seconds, si S is, 0 din. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, so, isulat natin, ha. At, okay, T equals to 0, S is equal to 0. Okay. So, when T is equal to 2 seconds, yung S mo is 4 meters. And then, when T is equal to 3 seconds, babalik na naman siya sa 0. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung maximum. No? Ito yung maximum na naabot niya bago siya umatras ulit patungo dito. Okay. So, yung distance natin, total distance traveled within 3 seconds. So, it is equal to D, okay, minus, okay, is equal to, from 2 seconds to 0 seconds, so 4 minus 0, okay? So, kung hindi nyo, okay, tulad nung ginawa natin nung nakaraang example, okay, plus, pero may absolute value, okay, plus 0, 3 seconds, minus 4. Okay? D is equal to 4 plus 4. So, D is equal to 8 meters. So, ito yung total distance traveled natin. Okay? So, inad lang natin yung absolute value kung saan distance, okay, ito yung ginawa natin, distance na naabot, o displacement na naabot from 0 seconds to 2 seconds, which is 4. And then again, inad natin sa absolute value na na-travel from 2 seconds to 3 seconds, which is 0 minus 4, which is negative 4 actually sa displacement. Okay? Sa displacement, nagiging 0 siya kasi negative 2. Kasi walang absolute value, kaya nasi 0. Pero dito, kasi si distance is scalar, so ina-absolute value natin. Kahit whether pasulong siya or paatras. Kaya yung total, ang nasagot, natin, okay, so D is equal to 4 plus 4. So, D is equal to 8. So, ito yung distance traveled natin. Okay. So, meron pa bang hinanap? Okay, nalimutan natin sabihin, meron pa palang V average. Okay. So, meaning yung V average nyo is equivalent to the distance over time. Yung distance na travel natin, kasi average time, so 8 meters. Ilan yung, okay, with 3 seconds. So, yung V average natin is 8 divided 3, 8 over 3 meter per second, or in decimal is 2.667, okay, meter per second. So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay? Sana maintindihan. So, okay. So, kung hindi nyo nasundan, pwede nyo ring ulit-ulitin yung video na to. At saka pumunta kayo doon sa mga lugar na, sa point na hindi nyo nahabol. Okay? Video na, recorded to. So, I hope nakatulong to sa inyo para ma-understand yung lesson nyo. Okay?